everyone, I'm teacher EJ. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk a key knowledge point from NMOS, which is about the periodic problem. Let's have a look. So from the question, it says that if a number of Sundays in January 2026 is less than the number of Saturdays, so what day it is on the 1st of June 2026? So how do we solve this question then? Alright, no worry guys, we'll start with a simple example first, okay? So we all know that 1 week there are 7 days. So we have Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesdays, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and also Sunday. So now let's say today it is Monday. So if 4 days have passed, do you know what day it is now? So we can just count it. So start from Monday, then we go to Tuesday, Wednesdays, Thursday, and also Friday. So after 4 days, it is now Friday. Next, how about 7 days? So what day it is now? So we can also count it. So we start from Monday and we go to Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But there is 1 day left, so we move back to Monday. So after 7 days, we go back to the Monday. How about 14 days? So now let me ask you a question here. 14 is a multiple of what number? It is a multiple of 7. So when it passes a week, which is a multiple of 7, then it will go back to the same day. Therefore, after 14 days, it will still be Monday. And finally, we have 17 days. So after 17 days have passed, what day it is now? So we can just use 17 divided by 7 and we will get the 2 remainder of 3. So guys, based on what we have here, we know that 2 weeks have passed, and what do we do to the remainder? So we can just count to the back. So we start from Monday and we go to Tuesdays, Wednesday, Thursday. So after 17 days, it is now Thursday. So based on the example we have here, when we have a number, when we have the day of a specific date, and we know how many days have passed, what we need to do is just using the number of days and we divide it by 7. Then we just have to count to the back based on the remainder. Alright, now let's go back to our question. So in this question, we want to find the day of 1st of June. We'll need to know the day of any date and we need to know how many days have passed. But there is only one information that we have from the question, which is the number of Sunday in January 2026 is less than the number of Saturday. So what situation is this then? Let's think about it. So I'll use this calendar as an example over here. So we know that in 1 month, there will be a few complete weeks. So in the first complete week, we know that if there is a Saturday, then it will follow by a Sunday. Then also in the second week, we know that a Saturday will be followed by a Sunday. So what can we say about the relationship? What can we say about the number of the Saturday and Sunday for all the complete week? So they are the same. So now, we say that the number of Sunday and Saturday is not the same, which means that the last week of the month is an incomplete week. So, which day is the last day of the incomplete week? So the last day will be Saturday. So now guys, we say that the last day of January is Saturday. So do you know when is the last day of January? So it is 31. And we know that it is Saturday. So what we want to know now is to find how many days have passed when we reach the 1st of June. We'll first need to go to February. And when is the last day of February? So it is 28. Why is it not 29? This is because 2026 is not a multiple of 4. Therefore, it is not a leap year. Then we will now go to March. So the last day of March, it is 31. And then we go to April. So for April, the last day is 30. Next, we go to May. And the last day of May, it is 31. Then finally, we will reach the 1st of June. So guys, how do we need to find how many days have passed? So we just have to sum them up. So we have 28 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31 and plus 1. Then we will get 121. So guys, do you remember what do we have to do with the total number of days? We just divide it with 7 and we will get 17 remainder of 2. So now we just have to count to the back. So we start from Saturday and then we go to Sunday and then Monday. So we have found that the day of the 1st of June, it is Monday, so which is our final answer. Alright, now let's summarize what we have learned in this question. So this kind of question, we call it the periodic problem. And in this case, we are finding the day of a specific date. So guys, do you remember what is the first thing that we need to do here? It is to identify the day of any date. Then we need to find the number of days that have passed. And finally, we use the number of days and we divided it with 7. Then we count to the back based on the remainder. Right? So you can try to do this practice question, and you can leave your answer at the comment section below. So now you may join our WhatsApp group for more information of our activity. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, bye bye.